This is the Strait of Hormuz, a fragile thread connecting to the world's oil, carrying dreams of families, economies and the future. ये Strait of Hormuz है. It has never been closed by Iran. कभी वॉर के टाइम पर या कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के टाइम पर, सैंक्शंस के टाइम पर भी ईरान ने इसे कभी बंद नहीं रखा. बट टुडे विस्पर्स ऑफ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इस चीज के लिए पुश कर रहा है ईरान को, और ईरान अबाउट टू क्लोज द स्ट्रेट ऑफ. ईरान स्टैंड्स क्रॉस रोड, एक चौराहे पर खड़ा है. बिकॉज ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल लोकेशन there is no sea route alternative to the Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz isn't just a place. ये सिर्फ एक जगह नहीं है. It's a heartbeat, and the heart is beating louder than ever now. What could finally push to do this? आप क्या सोचते हैं? The Sunday attack by the US on the military and nuclear facilities of the Iran. What could finally push it? Sayyid Abbas Araghchi, Foreign Minister of Iran, said on this issue before just some hours. A variety of options are available with Iran. हमारे पास बहुत सारे options हैं और हम इस मुद्दे पर सोच रहे हैं. Marco Rubio, on the other hand, US Secretary of State, calling to China, involving to China. Can you getting the situation? वो चाइना को बोल रहे हैं to encourage Iran to not shut down the strait. चाइना ensure करे, encourage करे कि ईरान इस रास्ते को बंद नहीं करे. Because the countries like China and India are heavily dependent for their oil imports on Iran. If they do it, it will be another terrible mistake by Iran. It is said by Marco Rubio, US Secretary of State. It is an economic suicide for them. As US said, ये एक economic suicide हो जाएगा. Consider the economic suicide. So what could push a nation to risk this all? एक देश को ऐसा क्या है जो इतना बड़ा रिस्क लेने के लिए पुश कर रहा है? What do you think? The fear, pride or desperation? These waters close, the world holds its breath. Getting this? This is so important. Having some points regarding this. What is the Strait of Hormuz? It's a narrow water body. Any strait. What does it mean by the strait? A narrow water body which provides the connectivity to two larger bodies. A narrow body that provides two larger bodies the connectivity. It is called the strait. The Persian Gulf and the Gulf of Oman getting connected by the Gulf of Hormuz. The countries surrounding the Gulf of Hormuz. कौन से देश इसके आसपास हैं? That is Oman, Iran, Saudi Arabia, UAE are the countries surrounding it. And this strait provides the way towards the Gulf of Oman, and this provides Iran, Saudi and UAE to the way towards the international sea. अंतरराष्ट्रीय समुद्र की तरफ इसको रास्ता देते हैं. To sell their crude oil, to sell their products, to connect to the world. जितने भी दुनिया के देश हैं, countries हैं, उनके साथ connecting इसको provide करते हैं. That's why it becomes important. But why it is very much important for other countries too? मतलब एक चीज ये हो गई कि one side के countries, ईरान, सऊदी, UAE अपने प्रोडक्ट्स को बेचेंगे. But the thing is, the countries like India, countries like China, which are already waiting for their products, the crude oil, कच्चे तेल के लिए हम इंतजार कर रहे होते हैं. So ये अगर क्लोज होता है तो it will negatively impact those countries, those economies. It will uprise the inflation also. Suddenly महंगाई बढ़ जाएगी. Why? Because the all logistics, जितनी भी चीजें जो भी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो सबका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन रोड के थ्रू होता है उन रास्तों पर. अगर आप सिर्फ लॉजिस्टिक्स की बात करें तो वहां पर ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सारा इस क्रूड ऑयल पर ही डिपेंड करता है. So it will suddenly increase the inflation in India also. So stay connected. The big bulk of